Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we are here with the JBL Partybox 310. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be trying to connect a guitar to an electric guitar. Now, it's not going to sound like, the special electric guitar crazy sounds. It's just basically going to amplify the acoustic ability of this guitar, just what you can hear it through the speaker, in other words. So the way that you do this, first of all, turn the speaker around. We'll take a look at the back here. Let's turn it on, obviously. Right, it's powering on. Let's listen. There we go. Speaker's on. So right here in the back, take a look down here. This way you want to plug it into the mic port too. And then here's a little switch. So you have mic, you have guitar. And you also have a knob right here, a gain control to turn it up or down. So what we're going to do first is go ahead and plug this in. So here's the plug. Plug it in right here, mic port 2. And then we're going to go ahead and plug the other one end into the guitar. My bird loves that. And then we'll go ahead and switch this over right here to guitar. And let's see what happens. And there you go. And it's just supposed to work. So I don't know how to play the electric guitar. I don't even know why I have electric guitar, but I do. And right here, you can see that it works. If you do let me see, you can control the volume here. And then the gain right here, let's see what this does. We turn this all the way down. There you go. So the gain is basically the volume for the guitar. And that's it. So you plug it into the guitar, plug it into your speaker, switch this over to guitar, make sure your gain is up, and your electric guitar should be working. Another thing I would like to mention is that if this cable is bad right here, that could be the reason that it's not working. So make sure you have a good cable, first of all, and make sure your electric guitar works, obviously. And then you want to follow the procedure I just showed you, and you should have a working electric guitar on your JBL Partybox 310. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this right here. Should not need a preamp. Should be pretty straightforward and simple. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments, and I will try to help you out as best as I can. If you're interested in seeing the actual review of this speaker right here, I will leave a link in the description so you can go ahead and check it out. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.